I'm in charge of the manufacturing department. We have to adapt to how we can, as a team of individuals, assembling and doing things, keeping all the flexibility in, keeping all the quality and cost at the levels that we need to be competitive. Our best practices in manufacturing over the 85 years we've been in business have evolved about both the market change, the customer needs, and the environments that are dictated by either the workforce or the places that we sell. And nowadays, continuous improvement takes fold in many facets. It has both a quality aspect, it has an empowerment to the people aspect, it has an involvement aspect, and it's very encouraging with the way that Gold Eagle's involved the last couple of years. We've been able to incorporate this innovative empowerment sense. We've recently accelerated our continuous improvement journey where we're having Kaizens and daily operations meetings where we're talking about the losses and the opportunities to make not only a higher quality product and a lower cost product, but to increase the morale where people can actually voice their struggles and get the support they need. Our continuous improvement journey has been kind of injected with the catalyst of the Red Zone software that gives us a platform to do all the great work that Gold Eagle has done over the years, and then gives it kind of a form or a process to follow. So we're really excited about that. It is a great honor to be named Team Member of the Year, and that's really a reflection on the group of individuals out in the plant and that have work together to achieve great results, both from safety, quality, morale, and also cost.
This belongs to the people.
There's many visions, there's many processes, and many tools out there, but at the end of the day, it's the people that make the difference.